Hi guys, welcome to Introduction to Astronomy online fall 2008. So we are not going to have a formal meeting, face-to-face meeting that's mandatory. All our activities are going to be done online, though we will have the chance to meet and you can always come and talk to me on my office. So if you would log in to Sac State, previously known as WebCT, you'll find a few things there. So to try to make things really easy, the first place you should go is called week 1, because week 1 has the directions to start getting you familiarized with what we've been doing here. So in week 1 is going to tell you, well, watch this video, which you're already doing, so good job. Next thing is to become familiarized with the syllabus and with the calendar that's there. So if you would print out the syllabus and look at it as I talk about it, make sure we go through it together, okay? So get your syllabus and let's see. There you have how to contact me. There are many ways to contact me. You can come to my office hours, you can see me in the online office hours, you can call me, you can make an appointment if you need to. So there's plenty of help available to you, and I hope that's clear. Even though it's an online class, there should be plenty of help available to you. You have my phone numbers. What you need for this class: you need a textbook. In here I say 5th edition. It doesn't have to be 5th edition. It can be 4th edition. It can probably be any edition. They're all pretty similar. So just save your money and get whatever edition you want. Just make sure we are talking about the same subject. So the table of contents of the book is at Sac State, of the 5th edition, so you can always check and make sure we're on the same page. You will need access to Sac State, and you will need to check here frequently, because that's how we communicate. You need access to the book website at masteringastronomy.com. That's where you're going to do your homework. That's going to be a significant part of your grade, as you'll see. The calendar tells you the reading you need to do each week. So it's one chapter per week, and then you go to Master Astronomy and do your homework. So let's see. Where is it? Grading. So your grading in this class is going to be based on 3 things. One is your participation in the discussions/forum. So discussion, I'll usually post a discussion topic. Let's see, is there life in Mars? And you're gonna have to say something about it, something smart about it. And then you're gonna have to answer something smart to other peers that have posted things in there. So I have subdivided you into groups because there are 90 plus students taken in this session, so that you have a chance to meet a smaller group, that you can really create a community. I have subdivided you in groups of about 24, 25. So if you see, for example, the first topic of the discussion is introduction, but if you're in group 1, you're going to see something called introduction 1. If you're in group 2, you're going to see something called introduction 2. And I don't let you see introduction 1, 2, 3, and 4, because you don't need to, and you're just going to be confused. So just so that you understand what those numbers are there, you always should be seeing the same number. If you're in group 2, you're always going to see 2. If you're in group 3, you're always going to see 3, and so forth. The homeworks are due on the Master Astronomy website. I'll drop the 2 lowest grade. I forgot to mention that I'll also drop the 2 lowest grade from the discussion slash forums. And there are also some worksheets that I have found to be really valuable in helping you understand the material. Therefore, they are already posted at Sac State. You're gonna print them and complete them. And I'll tell you when. It's part of the calendar. Tells you what worksheet goes with what chapter. Work on them. Save them. At the end of the semester, you're gonna give them to me as a package with your student ID in there, with your name, and I'm gonna grade it for completeness and for your attempt to doing the work. That's gonna be worth 20% of your grade. So keep track of those. Don't wait till the last minute, because there's no way you're gonna do a good job if you wait till the last minute. And they really help you understanding the material. Okay. There are gonna be at least 2 extra credit opportunities. And I hope you understand from the extra credit opportunities that I really want you to feel welcome and to know that you have resources to help you understand the material. So extra credit number 1 is visit me during office hours before October 16th, or before the 6th week of class, right? That's what it is. Just come here, bring a card with your picture. Pictures are really helpful, help me remember who you are. Your name, your nationality, tell me something about you, tell me a few things about you, and ask me a question, okay? The question can be about the subject matter, anything you're curious to know. Just realize that you can talk to me. That's why I want you to come here and find your way, learn how to get here. And that's gonna be worth 2.5% of your grade, so how easy is that? What else? Again, I want you to participate. So the online office hours, it's another piece of software that you're gonna have to learn how to use. There are instructions for you, and you're gonna receive an invitation via email that's gonna tell you how to proceed. If you participate in one of those, in at least one of those, until or before Sunday, October 19th, you'll also get some extra credit. Again, that's to show you that it's easy, that it's available, that you can talk to me, you can talk to other peers in class. So we're going to be using Sac State. It's also available in Sac State, a recording of my previous lectures from last semester. So they will match very closely to what we're doing now, and I will tell you, lecture 2 is chapter 3 or whatever, so that you can go listen if you want. You may be bored because you'll see that my classes are very interactive, and if you're not there, I don't know, but at least it may help you, and you can always fast forward to me speaking anyway. So the recorded lectures will be there available to you, or you don't have to use it, but if you find them useful, go to Master in Astronomy for the homework as soon as possible. There is already homework due next Sunday. You will need this course ID number, and it's right here in your syllabus. It's my last name, Margoniner, Fall08 S5, because that's your session. Make sure to add your student ID there too. You will already find chapter 1 homework due Sunday, and Introduction to Mastering Astronomy assignment. That one is not for grade, but it's really gonna help you with your homework, so I strongly encourage that you do it. I should stress the student conduct and discipline. Well, it's hard to catch cheating here, isn't it? But I will have lots of samples of your writing through the forum. And if I have any evidence of plagiarism or of someone doing the work for someone else, I'm gonna immediately report it to the Office of Academic Affairs. Okay, so don't do the homework for your friend, don't let your friend do the homework for you. The same thing on the online office hours or anything of the sort. Okay, do your own work if I have any evidence that someone is doing the work for you, or vice versa. There will be serious consequences. What else? Make sure to check the calendar to know what's happening. And welcome to Introduction to Astronomy. I hope you enjoy the class, and I hope you learn a little bit of astronomy. I'll see you around. Bye.